Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to highlight text in Canva. This is a very useful feature if you want to draw attention to certain words, emphasize important parts of your design, or simply make your text more visually appealing. Whether you are creating social media posts, presentation, posters, or any other design project, learning how to highlight text will definitely improve the overall look for your content. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device and log in with your account. Once you are inside, either open an existing design where you want to add highlighted text or click Create a new design. And choose the size you need, for example, an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size canvas. Next, go to the text options on the left-hand toolbar and tap Add Text Box. Now, you can type anything you want. For example, your title, a short quote, or a piece of information. Once the text is on the canvas, select it, that we can start customizing it. You can change your font, then size. Now here comes the trick for highlighting text in Canva. At the moment, Canva doesn't have a direct highlight tool, like in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. But don't worry, there are simple ways to create the highlight effect. The first method is to use shapes. Here's how. Go to the Elements tab on the left side and search for rectangle. Choose a plain rectangle shape and drag it onto your canvas. Resize the rectangle to match the width of the text you want to highlight. And you can change the color. Place the rectangle behind the text by right-clicking, then select layer, then tap step back one layer. You can resize again. And there you go, your text is now highlighted with a colorful background. Finally, when you are happy with your design, click on the share button in the top right corner and download your work in PNG or JPEG or PDF format depending on what you need. And that's it. That's how you can highlight text in Canva quickly and easily. This small trick can make a big difference in your design projects and help your message stand out to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.